All right, I just finished my session. Today is one loss and one win. I managed my risk nicely, proud about it, and stick to your plan and losing less and winning big. That's the secret to profitability. If you want to be profitable, that's what exactly you need to do. It's not about your strategy, it's not about your, it's just your psychology, that's the big whale in profitability. So, yeah, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. I'm trying to have 100 subscribers. Today is the 8th day, right, of this challenge. I go slow, no problem. I'm not in a hurry. I was in a hurry. I have blown so many accounts before. So because I was in a hurry and I'm not in a hurry anymore, so I go slow. So enjoy the live session, right? You can see how I'm adding positions and managing the risk. Yeah, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I appreciate it. All right, so this is the first trade. I'm doing the voiceover because it was too noisy in the room. That was so that's why I couldn't talk while I was in the trade. So I just put this sell limit there. I was actually, to be honest, I was a little bit itchy about this trade. Price just came to my entry and it just went away. And at this moment, I was like, okay, just didn't come to my order and now you're going away from my order, right? And yeah, so let's see how the price was performing at this level. And now I'm waiting, still waiting. The way that volume pop up, I wasn't happy about it, to be honest, because now it just popped up, right? Popped up, and normally this candle can have a nice reaction after touching my order, because where I have placed the order, so that candle, I didn't like that candle, to be honest. Now but the thing is, you need to calculate the risk before you enter the trade. Always remember that. And if you don't know how much you are risking, and that's not that's not good at all, because you exactly want to know, because otherwise it's gonna hit your psychology, it's gonna hit your mindset, because you just put, okay, let's put like 4 5 6 or lots, right? And when it hits the stop loss, and if that amount is a little bit bigger than you wanted to risk, and it's kind of a mess up, right? It's a mess up it's gonna mess up with your psychology. So now, how these candles are printing, I had a good feeling, okay, this is grinding up, because in this area price should have a nice looking reaction. We already had that reaction before my order, but now it's just trying to make new highs, right? New highs. So in this case, I was like, okay, Okay, so now you can see I was okay, this is going against me. I'm gonna manage my risk, right? So that's why I just put 2 lots, and I just want to press buy. That means I can just uh, cut 50% what I risk, right? So I risk like 130 something if I remember right. And I was looking at other time frames at this situation, whether I really want to cut this trade or I just let this trade to go. You can see 19 seconds, 17 seconds, 16, 15. How this candle is printing, it's not it's not helpful at all. You can see, so I want to close half of my position right now, and you can see I was waiting for this candle, okay, and I was watching other time frames on my other screen, and bam. So I could not cut it half because it just pushed up so fast. Yeah, it is what it is, right? That is, so this is my first trade, but I said like 136. It wasn't 136, it was like 168 something, or like $164 it was exactly. So okay, so this is the second trade. I just risk less, right? I just risk less, and I'm waiting to add on the way. If it shows me nice momentum, so I'm waiting. Right now I have added like only two lots, micros, MNQ, and I'm actually waiting to add more because I was itchy about this because there's another zone down with a gap. I'm not a fan of gaps to buy when there are lower gaps behind, right? So that's why I only enter two. So managing your risk and risk management is the first thing in trading. This is what I understood after trading more than 3 years, like not actually 4 years, right? So I'm waiting, but I'm not like really emotional or something like this because I have added less risk. So with this candle rejection, I was like, okay, showing me a good momentum, how this candle was printing and went down, grab some orders, right? I just added another two, and you can see what I'm doing right now. See, I just move my stops. I'm moving a little bit more because since I added more, right? If price gonna come back, because you never know, right? This is this is the market, right? That's how it is. You have no idea what is market is gonna do. It's a possibility game, right? So if you want to stay in this game, if you want to be profitable, first thing, I'm telling you what to do. Manage your risk. Do not lose a lot. Make your winners bigger, right? But lose less. That's the skill you need to have. It's not a strategy. I mean, strategy plays some role, but trust me, managing your risk is the number one thing in trading. every profitable trader do that, managing the risk, you know. So when you lose less. When you win, win bigger. So now here I have 4 lots. So I want to actually add another position if price is giving me good reaction. Okay, I just added another position, right? So you can see what I'm doing now. You can see my stop loss is a little bit higher now, you know. So if this stop loss moving down, you know, and that's a messed up situation, because you have now you have added more. Now I have added more, not you. Sorry. So this is why you need to move your stops, because do not, I repeat, do not lose a lot. That's the name of the game. Do not. Just, if you are getting value from these videos, you know, it takes a lot of time. It'll take a lot of time. So only thing what you need to do is lose less, win big, right? So since I have added 6 lots, micros, right? And I'm not interested to lose a lot, right? So that's why I moved my stops. See, now I am still waiting. I will not add more. I don't want to add more. So I'm just waiting how price is reacting. So that candle, this red candle, how it came down, I wasn't a fan. I wasn't a fan. And now I am really checking in this candle and how the other candle is acting in this place, right? You can see I'm doing another thing. You know, that candle was like, oh my goodness me. That momentum is like not a helpful thing. It's not helpful at all, right? So this candle, like I said, I wasn't a fan of that red candle, because it just reversed that green candle totally, more than the red green candle. Because of that, I am really curious, and I'm really looking the price action. Check what I'm doing. Okay, see, I just put my stops to the up. It's really tight, right? You might say you need to give some time for your trade to breathe, blah blah blah, so much, you know. So many people will say this, you know. But like I said, name of the game is managing your risk. Okay, managing your risk. I mean, I could stay in this trade, right, with my original stop loss if I had only like 2 lots. But now, since I have another 4, so I have 6 lots, you know. I have to manage my risk, right? So that red candle was not helpful at all. It wasn't. So that's why I put my stops really to the up, right? I need to walk away if it hits my stops, you know. It's annoying, It's annoying, it's pretty annoying when it happens, but that's how trading is, right? And now I am at this place, at this moment. I am waiting. Look, I'm looking at the 15 minutes candle, because 15 minutes you can see left side corner, left side top corner, you can see it's 30 seconds to finish, right? So most probably, since it did not flip totally bullish, you know, so I wasn't sure, you know. And the other thing is, time wasn't in my side, so it's a little bit late, right? And now you can see 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the new candle, 15 minutes new candle, right? It's probably gonna make a lower wick, you know, bottom wick, whatever you call, and I'm not ready for that. And this is why I'm doing this thing, moving my stops to that level, because it might can reverse to make the bottom wick, you know, and it's tough off the range. Time is not in my side, right? You can see bam, right? But it's okay, right? I just made a break even for the day, $29. Like I said before, managing your risk, losing less, and winning big, that's what you need to do.